Some tips for GA4 Success. You really want to think about what are the custom events you want to create, or what existing events do you want to modify. Some external systems will let you add analytics, some won't. So your measurement may stop when they leave your website. And there are some ways that you can actually get some information about what happened on that third system. So that's some of the science and the art of setting this up. You really want to connect GA4 to Google Search Console, to your Google Ads, to any others, to Bing Ads if you're running that. So it's important to not treat GA4 as its own standalone box. You want to bring in all the other systems that are sending information to Google Analytics. The reporting is really key. I think of the life cycle of reporting from the standard reports in GA4 to the reports that you can customize, because you can customize every single report that shows up in the standard view of GA4, to what are called explorations in GA4, where you build your own set of reports on the data that's in GA4, and the explorations are actually pretty powerful. There's a lot there. But beyond that, then you can look at third-party tools for reporting, things like Looker Studio or Tableau or potentially Power BI if they ever get a GA4 connector. So when thinking about the process of how to accurately measure user interactions on the website, a big part of what we're thinking is, how are we going to report on this information, and how are we going to make it meaningful and easy to understand? So the reporting is a big thing. And then the last thing that I'll touch on really, really quickly is the free integration that GA4 gives you to BigQuery. BigQuery is a SQL database in the Google Cloud Platform that in the prior version and Universal Analytics, you only had that access when you paid for the GA360 at $150,000 a year or more. Now in GA4, you have that free. You have that connection for free. Once you set up BigQuery, that data will flow automatically from GA4 to BigQuery. And then from that point on, you own that data. You can segment it to your heart's delight. You will never lose that data. And the cost of storing that data is ridiculously low. For many of our clients, it's like 13 cents a month, if that, because there's such a large free tier of data in BigQuery. So I highly encourage everybody to customize GA4 and set up the BigQuery integration, because you will never regret having that data and owning it in your own data lake or data mart or whatever you're using.